everybody. Let's get back into my beachy summery blue book journal. Okay, I'm going to flip through a bit to show you some of the pages that are done. There's if there's not a playlist, this is up on the channel. A lot of the process videos of me working through this. I guess I do need to make a playlist. I didn't do that on camera, the tag on camera, but I did most of the other things, the construction of the journal and the other things of that nature. And this is bound together by twine, my twine method. I love doing the twine method. I have that up on the channel because it's fun to just pull it out and work on a page here and there and then put it back into the journal. What I'm going to do over here is collage on this index card and go ahead and make a ephemera piece. So you know me, I like to pull out all my product packaging. I think I'm going to, I'm going to go ahead and use this here wipes packaging. It's so summery. You just let it dry out from the inside. And you keep them, and by the time you want to use them, you know, they're dried out. Because we all keep wipes. You don't have to have a baby in our craft rooms to, you know, to clean up. I'm always dropping coffee. Or to paint and things like that. And it just works so well in these beach themed, summer themed junk journals. Then I'm going to go ahead and use a piece of tissue box. Look, I tell my family, they suffering from hay fever and all that kind of stuff, save me your tissue boxes, because they, you know, they really come in good use, especially if you don't have pattern paper. Then I, you know, take a little piece of this doily and add it to. You get a pack of doilies, they will last you for a long time. Now, as I was collaging this index card, it kind of put me in the mind of a masterboard sometimes. Because, you know, a masterboard sometimes look like a hot mess, and it's not until you cut it up that it begins to look better. Well, I didn't particularly care for how this was turning out. But at the end, when I added it to a page as an ephemera piece instead of like a standalone kind of deal, I liked it. Sometimes you just got, as I always say, trust the process and, you know, just go with the flow. And it doesn't always work out. Sometimes it, but more often than not, it does. Escape to the sea. You can barely see it. Did I change my mind? It didn't look half bad, but it just absorbed all the background. one year I saw the cutest little thing. It was all these smaller sailboats coming out onto the water, and lo and behold, when you got close up to see it, it was a bunch of little babies in it. I say babies. They had to have been elementary age. Just as cute as you wanted to be, those rich little kids. Oh, it was the cutest little things, though. And I have pictures somewhere of it because I thought it was cute. It was just the cutest little thing you ever wanted to see. These little miniature sailboats coming out, and those little kids learning to sail this early. You go. You can't hate. It was just the cutest little thing to see them out there like that. About 10 or 11 of them, so it was a sight to see it all together. I just hope they grew up to be very compassionate kids. You know what I mean? Because I wanted to be cynical and say that those are the future butts of the world, but I just hope that they grow up to be. After a while, they were just so cute. I said I hope they grow up to be compassionate people who don't just take but give back to the communities in which they live or which they take from, because the workforce is going to be out. That's another story for another time. We not going down that rabbit hole right now. I could have glued that over it, and I don't know why I chose to put it inside. I've done that to hide the, I don't know, it didn't look bad. I think I put that somewhere else later on. Yeah, I'm not going to use it as a tag of summer. Use it as a ephemera piece. I don't think it looks that bad, especially I add some things to it. And these echo parts. I was glad to play on these junk journals again because I need to use up my supplies. So we got these little echo parts, little dots. I was glad to find them. And glad I didn't find them at the end of the season. I found them now. So I added like a picture frame around the picture. No, that don't go. I think some autumnal pictures were mixed up with my beachy summer picture. Because I was looking for those pictures during the autumn. I should put them. I hope I put them. I think I put them. Realized I didn't put them with the autumn pictures again. I don't know. This is where all my fall stuff got off too. See, I'm like, why is the jack-o'-lantern mixed up with this? And why am I not cutting this part out? I'm probably the only one interested. What was I looking for? And I'm still looking for something. Yeah, leave that alone. Put that up. Right, we're a little cute with the little chairs, lawn chairs, sitting looking up at the sailboats, because that's me. I sit there on the shore and watch the sailboats go by. I just love that. Okay, friends, I'm just going to wind this down. I'm going to add a couple of more little eyes and ends to the pages. I had a good time playing in my BT Summer Junk Journal Glue book. And I hope you had a good time hanging out with me. And if you made it this far, go ahead and you do like we do. Put down below a beach scene. You know the beach scene. You can wave at me. You'll put the glue book emoji and the scissor emoji as well. And I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.